Hey guys, welcome back to another one of Roy's Windows tips and tricks. This week I was a little excited to send out the update because I figured out how to make the new Snip and Sketch screenshot tool useful. As you can see, I've removed the old one. It's going to get replaced anyways, and I'm going to show you how I figured it out. So you need to actually take a snip first. So you go to the notification area, go to the screen snip tool. We're going to just use this because it's kind of fun to draw a little thing we want to take a snapshot of. When this comes up, grab it. What that does is it pulls up the program, which if you remember, this is what I wanted to pull up, like the old one when I take a screenshot rather than that notification and then over there and then you forget about it. So from here, what you want to do is right click and you're going to want to say pin to taskbar. Now, when you need it, it's right here and it behaves like the old one. It pulls up the program instead of immediately going to a snip, and then you can take a snip just like you did with the old one and it stays in the program rather than the notification, which is so nice. And there's a lot of things in this one that are upgraded. All the tools work better. The highlights work better when you're trying to highlight text and stuff. The old one, when you highlighted something, even if you spend a lot of time making it perfect, as soon as you let go of the mouse, it would like change a little bit. Wasn't very nice. Several other things didn't work right. The cropping on this one is better. Just there's lots of things on this newer one that actually are better. So I'm actually going to be using it now that I figured out how to make it useful. So that was it. I wanted to give you that tip for this week. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share and ring that bell. All right. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a beautiful week, and we'll see you next Tuesday.